there, radicals! Welcome to another exciting episode. Today we are diving into the world of raw veganism. Imagine a lifestyle that harmoniously blends the principles of veganism and raw foodism. Yes, you've guessed it right. We're talking about raw veganism, a lifestyle choice that focuses on consuming uncooked, unprocessed, and unrefined plant-based foods. From succulent fruits, vibrant vegetables, nutrient-dense nuts, seeds, to refreshing coconut water and pure water, raw veganism is all about embracing nature's bounty in its most natural state. This diet is often associated with a rich intake of vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. It's believed to offer numerous health benefits, from reducing inflammation, aiding digestion, supporting weight loss, to lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Before we proceed, remember, I'm not a professional medical practitioner or nutritionist. These are general guidelines. Always listen to your body and follow your intuition. This video is part 1 of 2. We will be sharing 15 of the 26 principles. Let's kick off with the first principle of raw veganism. Coconut water is the ideal way to start your day. It's a natural, healthy drink packed with electrolytes, making it an excellent hydrator and energy booster. It's like giving your body a refreshing morning shower from the inside out. If you don't have coconut water, go with watermelon or a member of the melon family, or another high water content fruit. Now on to the second principle. Only fruits before noon. This principle is based on the idea that our bodies detoxify until noon each day, and fruits, being high in water content, assist in this cleansing process. Plus, they're an excellent source of energy and nutrients to fuel your morning. The third principle, fruit is the root, emphasizes the importance of fruits in a raw vegan diet. Fruits are nature's candy, offering a sweet treat full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They're not only delicious, but also crucial for optimal health. Moving on to the fourth principle, fresh is best. This principle underscores the value of consuming fresh, unprocessed foods. Raw veganism is all about eating food in its most natural state, where it retains all its nutrients and enzymes. So the fresher, the better. The fifth principle brings us to a fascinating fact about our digestion. Protein doesn't pair well with starch, so it's best to enjoy protein-rich foods like nuts and seeds separately from starchy foods like potatoes or grains. This separation aids digestion and prevents any uncomfortable bloating or indigestion. These principles may sound simple, but they can make a significant impact on your health. Starting your day with coconut water, eating fruits before noon, making fruits a staple in your diet, choosing fresh over processed foods, and being mindful of food combining can set a solid foundation for your raw vegan journey. As you explore these principles and incorporate them into your life, you'll be taking vital steps towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Remember, the journey to raw veganism is not a race, but a gradual, enjoyable process of discovering what works best for your unique body. Ready for more raw vegan principles? Let's delve deeper. Principle 6. Eat when you're hungry, stop when you're satiated. Now this one sounds simple, doesn't it? But it's a crucial aspect of raw veganism. It's all about understanding your body's signals. When your body tells you it's hungry, eat. And when you feel comfortably full, it's time to put down the fork. This principle helps maintain a healthy relationship with food and avoids overeating, which can lead to various health complications. Moving on to principle 7. Soak your nuts and seeds. You might be thinking, why soak them? Well, soaking nuts and seeds not only makes them easier to digest, but also enhances their nutritional value. It's like giving your food a little upgrade. Just remember to drain and rinse them before you indulge. Principle 8 is all about the ripeness and seasonality of fruits. Eat ripe. Eat in season. Ripe fruits are like little nutrient bombs, loaded with flavor and health benefits. Choosing fruits that are in season ensures you're getting the best taste and the highest nutritional value. Now, principle 9 is a bit of a golden rule. Listen to your body. Your body is unique and it knows exactly what it needs. Pay close attention to how different foods make you feel and adjust your diet accordingly. Your body is your best guide on this raw vegan journey. And now principle 10, move more, live more. Physical activity is a vital part of a healthy lifestyle. Whether it's a daily walk, yoga, or a dance class, find something you love doing. Regular movement keeps your body fit, boosts your energy levels, and enhances your overall mood. Remember, these principles aren't rules set in stone, but guidelines to help you on this raw vegan journey. Now let's talk hydration, nature, and rest. First and foremost, hydration is key. Principle 11 of the raw vegan laws is simple. Hydrate. Water is the essence of life and a vital part of maintaining optimal health. As you embark on a raw vegan lifestyle, make sure to drink clean, pure water or coconut water or eat hydrating fruits throughout the day. Hydrating helps flush toxins from your body, supports digestion, and keeps your energy levels up. It's not just about quenching thirst, it's about nourishing your body at a cellular level. Moving on to Principle 12. Indulge in nature. Spending time outdoors, connecting with nature, is a fundamental part of holistic wellness. It's not just about what we eat, it's also about the environment we immerse ourselves in. The fresh air, the greenery, the peaceful sounds of nature. These elements can help reduce stress, boost mood, and promote a sense of overall well-being. So, whether it's a walk in the park, a hike in the woods, or simply tending to your garden, find ways to connect with nature regularly. Principle 13. Sleep. Rest is a vital component of our overall health and well-being. It's during sleep that our bodies heal, rejuvenate, and prepare for the next day. When we're well rested, we're more alert, more productive, and better able to handle stress. So make sure to prioritize quality sleep. Create a serene sleep environment, establish a regular sleep schedule, and develop a relaxing bedtime routine. Remember, it's not just about quantity, it's about quality. A good night's sleep is a powerful tool in maintaining good health and achieving a balanced lifestyle. These principles remind us to take care of our bodies in all aspects, not just food. Embracing hydration, nature, and rest are equally important as the foods we consume. They play a crucial role in our journey towards a healthier, more vibrant life. Remember, a raw vegan lifestyle is more than a diet. It's a holistic approach to wellness that takes into account every aspect of our well-being. So drink up, step outside, and get some rest. Your body will thank you. Let's explore more principles of raw veganism. Principle 14 is all about fasting. This is not about deprivation, but about giving your digestive system a well-deserved break. By abstaining from food for a certain period, your body gets the chance to cleanse and detoxify. It's like a reset button for your organs, allowing them to rest and regenerate. But remember, fasting is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional before undertaking any extended fasting period to ensure it's a safe and beneficial practice for you. Now, on to the 15th principle of raw veganism: be teachable. This journey is all about growth, exploration, and understanding. It's about being open to learning and expanding your knowledge. Whether it's discovering new recipes, understanding the nutritional value of different foods, or exploring the science behind raw veganism, there's always something new to learn. Being teachable also means being adaptable. It's about listening to your body, noticing how it responds to different foods, and adjusting your diet accordingly. Because at the end of the day, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to health and wellness. It's a personal journey, and you're the one in the driver's seat. So there you have it, the first 15 principles of raw veganism. These principles serve as a guide to help you navigate this lifestyle transition. But remember, it's not about perfection. It's about making gradual changes that support your health and well-being. It's about finding balance and listening to your body. Transitioning to a raw vegan diet requires gradual changes. Start by incorporating raw vegan meals into your routine. We've covered a lot of ground today, radicals. We've delved into the world of raw veganism, a lifestyle that combines the principles of veganism with raw foodism. We've learned that this approach emphasizes the consumption of uncooked, unprocessed, and unrefined plant-based foods, which are believed to retain essential enzymes and nutrients that can be destroyed when heated above 116 degrees Fahrenheit. We've also explored 15 of the 26 laws of raw guidelines that help individuals transition into this lifestyle. These principles remind us to start our day with coconut water, consume only fruits before noon, soak our nuts and seeds, and listen to our bodies, among others. A raw vegan lifestyle has numerous potential health benefits, including reducing inflammation, aiding digestion, supporting weight loss, and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. It's a journey that requires commitment, learning, and adaptation. Radicals, I've got something exciting for you. I invite you to join the 21 Days Raw Challenge. It's a transformative journey where for 21 days, you'll consume nothing but fresh organic fruits and vegetables. This challenge goes beyond just losing belly fat naturally. It's a holistic approach to wellness. Imagine having an accountability partner and a strong support system cheering you on as you make these life-changing decisions. That's what the challenge offers. And to guide you through it, I've designed a special 21 Days Raw planner that you can grab a copy of. If you're looking for year-long support and a community that shares your passion for health, consider joining our Raw Fam membership on Patreon. This platform provides you with invaluable lessons on wellness. From teaching you what to eat to showing you how to grow your own food at home, we've got it all covered. Remember, your health is your wealth. It's about making conscious choices every day for your well-being. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey. Look out for part 2 where I will share Principles 16 to 26. Remember, your health is your wealth. Until next time, Raw Love my radicals.